Sige, next one. Diba? You have your cost, volume, profit analysis. Okay? So we have what you call CVP analysis. Okay? So cost here, kanina, diba? We have our variable cost and we have our fixed cost. Diba? As we all know, if tumaas yung sales natin and bumaba yung sales natin, variable cost total will go up and will go down. Variable cost per unit and your fixed cost, total fixed cost will remain the same. Right? Diba kanina? And then, yung fixed cost per unit natin ay bababa to and tataas to. Okay. Next one, volume. Ano ba sinasabi about the CVP in terms of volume? Sabi nila, unit produced daw is equal to your unit sold. Meaning to say, there's no ending inventory. In the CVP analysis, wala dapat ending inventory. No? So, ibig sabihin, ano yung na-produce mo, yan ay na-sold. Okay. And your profit here is, you will follow the contribution margin format. Okay. So, in terms of the CM format, yung kanina, di ba? Ano nga yan? Sales equals to variable cost, you have your CM, fixed cost, and we have our net income. Okay. So, yan yung ating formula in computing for our net income. Alright. So, meaning to say, class, no? The CVP is the study of your cost, the study of your inventory, and there's no ending inventory, and the study of how to compute for your net income. Okay. So what would be your assumptions here? So number one, sabi nila, selling price daw will remain the same. Okay? All will remain constant. Okay. And that would be your selling price. Number two, your variable cost per unit is also remain the same, constant. So therefore, sales price minus variable cost, your CM per unit is will remain the same. Okay. Number three, total fixed cost again will remain constant. Ibig sabihin, in the CVP analysis, given lagi yan. Mamaya, I will give you shortcut and long cut. And number four is your, again, unit produced is the same as unit sold. And number five, yung ating sales mix na. Yung ating sales mix daw is also remain constant. So yan ang importante, no? That we need to understand, no? Kung sinasabi natin cost volume.